Today I will show you how to install Microsoft 365 for NWTC. First, uninstall any older versions of Microsoft 365 from your device. Then, go to nwtc.edu and click on Student Login. Scroll down to the Technology Resources section and click on Microsoft 365. You can also access Microsoft 365 from your student portal at student.nwtc.edu or by using the app launcher found in the top left corner of any Microsoft 365 online app. Log in with your student ID number at nwtc.edu as your username. Then enter your password. You may be asked to confirm your identity through the Microsoft Multi-Factor Authentication Process, or MFA. For assistance, contact the Student Help Desk at 920-498-6900. Once logged in, click on Install and More in the upper right corner. Select Install Microsoft 365 Apps from the drop-down menu. Then click on Install Office to download the Office Setup file. Open the file by double-clicking the pop-up in your internet browser or by locating the file in your Downloads folder. Follow the on-screen instructions. If asked, allow the installation to run and to make changes to your device. Do not turn off your computer or disconnect from the internet until a confirmation appears that your installation is complete. For more help, visit our Ask a Librarian website.